Hello, welcome to our knowledge and research. Today, I would like to share you about the functions of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Both models come with a range of features and functionalities that make them an attractive choice for customers. Here are some of the most notable functions of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, based on the available web search results. 1. Front camera. Both models feature a front-facing camera that supports autofocus for more detailed and lifelike photos. 2. Side button. The side button on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max can be used to access Siri, take screenshots, and more. 3. Lightning connector. Both models also come with a lightning connector for charging and data transfer. 4. SIM tray. The SIM tray is only available on models purchased outside the US. 5. Volume buttons. The volume buttons are located on the side of the phone and can be used to adjust the volume of media, ringtones, and alarms. In addition to these basic functions, the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max also come with a range of advanced features that are designed to enhance the user experience. For example, the promotion display has a 120 Hz refresh rate that makes the phone feel faster and smoother when scrolling, while the always-on display shows relevant information from your lock screen widgets without unlocking your iPhone. Users can also take advantage of photographic styles to create personalized presets for tone and warmth in their photos, and enable the Apple ProRAW setting to capture photos in full 48MP resolution. Finally, improvements in iOS optimization, more efficient processors, and newer technologies have led to longer battery life for both models. Thank you for watching and see you next videos with our Knowledge and Research channel.